Jindaberek to all the knitters and aspiring knitters out there. Welcome to Knitting 101. My first tutorial covers the topic how to make a gauge before starting your knitting project. So then why creating a gauge beforehand? Every person's knitting density is different. To make sure you'll knit the right size, you need to make sure how many stitches you'll need. To establish that, cast on 15 to 20 stitches using the yarn and the knitting needle you intend to use for your project. These are the materials used by me in this video. I'll link them down below in case you're interested in purchasing them. Knit at least 10 rows, then measure how many stitches fit into 10 centimeters by stretching the gauge a little and write it down. Know how many centimeters you need for your project beforehand. For example, for a head, you need to measure the head circumference, which for an adult is about 55 to 60 centimeters. Once you know how many centimeters you need, write down the following. In my case, this transfers to 10 centimeters equals around 9 stitches. Nine stitches divided by 10 equals 0.9. I will need 50 centimeters for my upcoming project. 0.9 times the 50 centimeters I will need for my project equals 45, and the 45 is the number of stitches I will need to cast on for my project. So have fun starting your next project. Thank you for watching. I hope to welcome you back for my next video.